Welcome! Today we'll be learning how to design and upload a poster. Let's start by opening the poster Photoshop template. Today we'll be designing for 1x1 poster. You'll see there are several items we want to pay attention to. I first find the file on my computer. This awesome monster design, I want to create that as a poster. I simply drag and drop it into the Photoshop template. You'll notice this has created a new layer with this file in the Layers panel. We wish to relocate this file to the Your Design folder layer. You can do so by dragging the layer over the folder to drop it within that folder layer. After doing this, let's reposition our design file so it reaches from edge to edge of the poster artboard. Let's reposition and resize this file as our resolution allows to make this poster be full width. Next, we want to make sure this poster looks awesome when it prints, so let's make sure the red bleed markings don't cover any of the cool parts of our design. Zooming in, I notice this poster is positioned correctly on the artboard, and none of the important elements which I wish to print are too close to the edge. Looking good? Feeling good? Let's move on. Before exporting, we will want to hide the two tutorial layers. We can do this by clicking on the associated eyeball icons in the Layers panel. This hides these layers for export. We also want to be sure, since we are exporting a PNG file, that our file is in the RGB color mode. We find the Image drop-down in Photoshop, find Mode, and make sure the RGB color mode is selected. Lastly, now that we absolutely love this monster design, we want to export our file in PNG format. Go to File, Export, and Export As, and be sure to change the file format from the drop-down to PNG and rename your file to something recognizable so we can find it later when we upload it to the New Partner area. Now head on over to that New Partner area. From the left panel, navigate to the Designs tab. We will now drag and drop our newly created poster file here to start the upload process. Once your poster has successfully uploaded, you will be able to click on the pencil edit icon to start creating and publishing posters. You'll note the system has recognized this file as a 1x1 poster. If you wish to create other merchandise, do so on the left. If you wish to create 2x3 or 3x2 rectangular posters, you'll have to design new files in these dimensions using their corresponding templates. Clicking Next brings us to an area where we can describe our design so people can better find it once it's published. Add a description, monsters rule, and add some descriptive tags, then click Next to continue the publishing journey. Here, we are determining if we would like to sell this poster on the marketplace. I think I do, so let's click on the green check mark. Then you determine if you want to publish this poster in your shop. I also do. Select which shops you want to publish, and then click that green check mark. Clicking Next brings us to the design price page, where we can select a design price we would like to earn for each sale of this design. Clicking Create will complete and publish your poster to your predefined points of sale. And now you've successfully published a super cool poster. You now have the power to create and upload as many posters as you wish. Happy selling!